Hello everyone and welcome to today's tutorial. We are going to be talking about how to add more accounts to your account on the Noble Mary website. Now, for those who already have multiple accounts, this is not for you. This is for people who want to learn from scratch. So what you do is when you log in, this is how the interface looks like. So you scroll down till you find referral ID right here at the top of total wallet balance. Now you click on the copy text button, the red copy text button. You see copied. You click again to confirm. Now at the top where the toggle button is, you see three dashes, which is the navigation bar. You click on it. You click on the navigation bar and it pops out. Now the next thing to do is to click on my profile. It brings out a list of options and all you have to do here is click on add more accounts. Now when you add more accounts, it would require you to paste in your referral, your sponsor's ID. So you hold on the box till you see paste. Now you paste in and you click on proceed, the red button below it. When you click on proceed, you hold on till you are redirected to your home page. Now when you are redirected to your home page, for you to confirm that you have added an account under your primary account, which is this account, you scroll up and you see total referral 1. Now you see I have 1 referral under this account. That means the process I just did was successful. So that is the easiest way, that is the fastest way for you to add an account. Now for those who have 2 or 3 accounts, probably somebody helped you in creating those accounts and you want to add more accounts under that account. Now what you have to do is at the top here you see a toggle button which carries gray and white color at the top here, desktop, beside the 3 dashes. Now if you click on that button, it will bring out all the accounts that are under that account. Scroll up till you get to the last account. Now when you get to the last account, you click on the last account and you hold on for it to load up. When it loads up, it brings up the normal interface and you scroll up till you find referral ID. Copy it again, click on the 3 dashes at the top for the navigation, click on profile, add more accounts. When it loads up, paste in the referral ID and click on proceed right here and hold on for it to load and take you back to the dashboard. When it takes you down to the dashboard, you will notice that under that account you have 1 referral.